Finally, a Bangalore company that actually wants to hire freshers. That's right. At iGlobal, we're building our go-to-market team and we're specifically looking for fresh talent with new ideas and energy. If you're passionate about marketing, events, or sales, this could be your big break into the industry. We have multiple positions open right now in Bangalore for our brand development team. What are we looking for? Strong English and Kannada language skills are a must. And if you speak a third language, that's a huge plus. We want people who are energetic, persuasive, confident, and have that entrepreneurial spirit. No experience? No problem. Freshers and interns are absolutely welcome. This is your chance to launch your career with real hands-on experience. Interested? Send your CV to vikrant@iglobal.com with the subject line, Application for GTM. Don't wait. Join our job channel today and take the next step in your career. Your future is waiting.